Good morning. Today I am on my way to Beryl, Utah to fly my drone. There are a couple of properties up there that are right next to each other that I will be filming, taking some pictures of them and some video of them so that they can post them on a website and sell the properties. There's also a place up there that sells cajeta. I want to try it out. Apparently they have some pumpkin spice cajeta and some whiskey cajeta and things like that. It should be quite interesting. So we'll try that out and let you know how it goes. All right, so now we're going to turn the camera around so you can see the whole trip. And when we get there, I'll show you what happens as I fly. All right, so here we are. This is the area out there. So I'm going to take my drone up and do some shots out there. This will be fun. So I'm out here in Beryl, Utah, and there really is nothing here. And there's roads marked out here according to the maps, but there is absolutely nothing here except this. This old train doesn't look like it's moved in a long time, and these are a bunch of like train signal lights and things. Pretty wild. So you can see right here, here's a red, yellow, and green in there. Oh look, there's some hummingbirds over there. I don't know if you can see them. Yeah, this is out in the middle of nowhere. There's nothing around here other than me, and I guess there's a house over there, and that's about it. I don't even know if that one's occupied. The last ones I saw were not occupied. Anyway, we'll carry on.
Turn right and turn left.
No. Some old rails.
In 600 feet, continue on to North Beryl Highway.
All right, so I just stopped by a place called Four Country Gals, and they make cajeta from goat's milk. Cajeta is also known as dulce de leche, but it's a little thicker. It's basically sweetened condensed milk that has been cooked so that it turns brown, and it's really good stuff. Mexicans put it on cakes and ice cream, and they make popsicles out of it, or suckers, not popsicles. They make suckers out of it. Really good stuff. I like it a lot. All right, so now I'm going to go to a place called, I think it's called Marv's Drive-Thru. I'm told it has the best burgers in the state of Utah. I've tried Crown Burger, and I really enjoyed it. And I've tried a couple of other burgers up here in Utah. Polar King was one of my favorites. So we'll see if this is really good, like they say. So that was Marv's Drive-In. And I had a mushroom Swiss, and it was really good. Don't know that it was the best in the state.
Take the next right onto Utah 18 South.
It reminded me of Polar King, actually. It was pretty good.